15th January 2025. Another unit 336D2 Caterpillar excavator just to come back. We're trying to drive it down from the trailer. It's quite heavy, 34-ton big machine. And you have to drive it very carefully. From this view, you can see very clearly that all the down roller and upper roller are working perfectly. Now have to be very slow and slow. Okay, so moving the boom to get a support, because it will drop very soon. It will drop now, yes. Now you see it's dropping. That is a regular operation every day. Don't worry. I know many of my friends and customers, they're familiar with this operation all the time. Okay. Now it's good. Now it's the end of the year, all the excavator come back. See, there's another one, 336D2. It's very crowded now. It's very crowded. So our driver have to drive it very carefully. Oh my God. And this one has a new bucket. This bucket is a new one. Single track moving, no problem. Okay, in next video I will show you closely with this excavator.